Hello, welcome back to the third part of the second module. The third part comprising of one famous law. The law name is Law of Variable Proportion. The law of variable proportion states that as the quantity of one factor is increased, keeping the other factors fixed, the marginal product of that factor will eventually decline. The law of variable proportion concerns itself with the way the output changes when you increase the number of inputs of a variable factor. Hence, it refers to the effect of changing factor ratio on the output. So, the law of variable proportion will show you how much does the output have changed due to the change in input. Input can be capital or organization or labor. It depends whether you're working in the short run or in the long run. So output is a function of labor, capital and organization. Let's learn what are the assumptions of that law. The first assumption is constant state of technology, which says that the technology is given and it is unchanged, and whatever the improvement is done, it will not affect, nor there is an improvement in the technology. The second one is fixed amount of other factors. When you're changing one variable factor, you keep the other factor in a fixed ratio. You don't change the other factor. The third one is possibility of varying the factor proportion. You can change one to another factor proportion, but fixed proportion will yield a product. So these are the three assumptions of the law. Let's learn with the diagrammatic explanation, where the law of variable proportion can be explained in two diagrams. The first one is telling you about the change in total product. The second one is telling you about the change in average product and marginal product. You also have the first, second and the third stage in the law of variable proportions, where marginal product. What is marginal product? It is the change of output to the change of input. Here, change in TP divided by change in L will give you the marginal product. TP, what is TP? That is total product. That is called summation of all marginal product. Next comes AP, average product. Average product we will get through the division of total product to the units of variable factor input. That means TP divided by L. And total product can also be calculated as TP is equal to average product into the variable factor inputs. There are three stages, as I said. In the first stage, the total product started increasing. In the second stage, it will increase but at a diminishing rate. In the third stage, it diminishes. That means it comes to the negative value. What happens to the marginal product? When the total product is increasing, it will also increase. And average product, it will also continues to increase and become maximum. So these two will become maximum when the total product is increasing. Next, at the stage 2, when it becomes a diminishing rate, marginal product will also diminish and become equal to 0. And MP will become also begins to diminish. And at the third stage, when the total product diminishes and become negative, the marginal product and also average product will continue and become a negative value. Why this reason, or why is this operation of the law is like this? In the short run, we cannot vary all the factors of production because only one factor can be changed, and with one factor we can't change the output. The second one is, in this case, there is only one variable factor while the others are fixed. You must change either land or labor, either capital or organization, any one variable factor and the other factors are fixed, you can't run or have a maximum output. The third one is all the other factors combine equally or optimally to produce the maximum output. So these are the reasons for the operation of the law. I hope you've understood the law of variable proportions. Thank you.